Hi. Let's learn about endorsements in financial knowledge. An endorsement may be a signature authorizing the legal transfer of a negotiable instrument between parties, or it can be an amendment to a contract or document, such as a life insurance policy or a driver's license. A public declaration of support for a person, product, or service is also called an endorsement. While endorsement has several distinct meanings, many of them have to do with the concept of approval or authorization. In business or legal matters, an endorsement refers to a signature or an equivalent stamp that authorizes payment or a transfer of funds, or other financial transaction. It also refers to a note, amendment, or clause to an official document or contract that modifies or specifies terms. In a more general context, an endorsement is an act of saying or showing that you agree with or support something or someone. The endorser may or may not be compensated. For example, a WNBA basketball player may endorse a pair of Nike brand shoes in a commercial. Or an actor might endorse a political candidate, appearing at campaign rallies or making speeches. A signature is an endorsement. For example, when an employer issues a payroll check, it authorizes or endorses the transfer of money from the business account to the employee. The act of signing the check is considered an endorsement, which serves as proof of the payer's intent to transfer funds to the payee. In a financial transaction where one party pays with a check, the person receiving the funds must endorse the check with a signature. A signature on the back of the check indicates that the transaction is complete and allows the transfer of money ordered by the check. If more than one person is listed as a payee on the check, then the endorsement requirements differ depending on how the names are written. For example, if the check is written out to John Doe and Jane Doe, both people must sign the check. If the check is written out to John Doe or Jane Doe, then only one signature is required. Insurance endorsements are amendments in the form of modifications or additions to the original policy. For example, a policy provision continuing monthly income to a beneficiary after the death of the insured is an example of an endorsement and is also known as a rider. Typically, this type of endorsement increases the policy premium due to the added benefits to the policyholder and beneficiary and the increased risk to the insurer. License endorsements add rights or privileges to a driver. For example, a motorcycle endorsement on a license gives a driver permission to operate a motorcycle on public roads. License endorsements also refer to the types of authorized vehicles or to the type of cargo a vehicle may carry. The opposite of a license endorsement is a restriction, which forbids certain behavior when driving. For example, someone with a corrective eyewear restriction isn't allowed to drive without glasses or contact lenses. Endorsements can also represent a show of support or a form of approval. A person or entity may make a public declaration of support for a person, product, or service. Most commonly, such an endorsement occurs when a government official, an influential person, or an organization expresses their support for a political candidate. For example, a newspaper may recommend that readers vote for a particular person who is running for office in an upcoming election, publishing an editorial that explains the reasons for their support. The paper is said to be endorsing that candidate. In the field of marketing, supporters or promoters of products are sometimes called influencers. Oftentimes influencers leverage social media to market the objects of their support. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. An endorsement has different meanings, but most have to do with the concept of approval or authorization. 2. An endorsement refers to a signature or an equivalent stamp that authorizes payment or a transfer of funds, as when an individual signs a check. 3. Endorsements can refer to amendments to contracts or documents, such as life insurance policies or driver's licenses. 4. A public declaration of support for a person, product, or service is also called an endorsement. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.